Tom here again. It's been 46 days since my last post. So here we go with 59. Been working on the south yard. Started by installing a Atlas double curve turnout. Caboose Industries switch will be going in. We go through a 20-inch radius curve. We're going to go through a zillion switches to do the yard. So I've been laying that out, kind of figuring it out. Needed a straight line to sort of line up those switches. A lot of work to do here, but this is sort of the concept. I'll have a manual turntable at the end here, be able to cross over a couple lanes. This will be the body of the yard here. And then a bunch more switching. Also, I have this little section here. There'll be 6 short lanes. A lot of work to do, but it'll be a fun winter project. I've been working on that, and I'm kind of playing with my what I call the Netflix West Studio lot. Be putting in a station here, add to the second station. This will be kind of the ghost town as far as I've gotten on that. And what else here? Not much. Kind of did some signage. Or peel and stick stuff. And what else? Passenger train just hanging out. Decided I would have the Kingston Brewery and the East Comstock Mining Company. Here we'll have Bar 2 Sand and Gravel, and then Tabata Residence is over in the Asian corner. This is the Kingston Mining District. And of course we have Iron Mountain back there. Iron Mountain with the Iron Mountain Fire Lookout. In-scale architect. There's the lookout. Do plan to do a gondola thanks to Shapeway. That'll be coming in here. And so it's just over here, just storing, right? Working on ballast, mixing. Also stripped the town of Grand Island for cleaning. And let's see what else. Let's move this box here. Okay, I did get one fence or railing in. So that's in place. And then there'll be more all the way along the rail. Once that's done, then I'll add LED lighting in all of the holes for the various buildings, street lights. And this is actually the High Line, which runs from the bridge here into tunnel number 10. Then we have the High Line Tower, High Line Spur, High Line Tunnel, Over here we have the LA Creek Bridge, which you've seen, and the ATSF junction right there. Okay, so this is going to be huge. I'll be able to park a lot of rolling stock in there. That's the goal. And again, then I can get all of these box cars, various freight cars off the spur, park the passenger train. That's kind of the plan. So we'll just leave it at that.